Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine your PDF files into one. So I have these three I want to copy over and put them into one PDF file. Now, this is very easy to do with a web browser. So just open up like Google Chrome or something like that. And then if you go to the top left, you can just go to this website, not Reddit. You want to go to this website right here. It is called CombinePDF.com. So just type this in right here, CombinePDF.com, right in the URL, and then press enter. Okay. Now you're going to be under this website. And all you have to do is drag and drop, or you can go to open files right here and it'll open up File Explorer. So locate your PDF files. I already have them opened up. So all I have to do is copy these over. So let's hit Control, and then you can select the additional PDFs. So I got all three copied. Let's drag them into here. And you could probably do more than three. I'm just doing three for this example. And then you can go to combine right here. Hit combine. And then you have to find a save location. So I'm just going to save it into my folder called Combine PDF, where I have my PDF files. So you can go up and down the left side here and find a location where you want to save this to. And then just name it wherever. So this is my second copy of my combined files. Okay. So I'm just going to name it that or something like that. And it's going to save as Adobe Acrobat document. Okay. Then we hit save right here. Now, if you look in the top right, you should be able to see it. You can just go to the folder and open it up right here, or you can open it or you can delete it. So let's go to show in folder. Well, actually, I just opened this. It didn't show in the folder like I wanted to. So I'm just going to open up my File Explorer once again, and I can see all my different documents in here. So here it is, the one I just did. It's just a test disk of something on my computer. So I combined these three into this one. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.